In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all attachments in a Microsoft Outlook email chain. Navigating through numerous email attachments can sometimes be a daunting task, especially if you are managing long, detailed conversations. But fear not, because today, we're going to break it down into simple steps that will make the process much easier for you. First things first, you need to log into your Outlook account. If you're not already signed in, simply open your internet browser, head over to the Outlook website, and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you can find yourself on the familiar Outlook homepage where all your emails reside. Next, you want to locate the email conversation that has all the attachments you're interested in. This could be in your inbox or in your sent items, depending on where the conversation took place. Simply scroll through your list of messages or use the search bar for a quicker search if you remember any specific keyword or email address associated with that conversation. Once you've opened the email conversation, the attachments will often be visible right below the subject line of each email within the chain. This makes them relatively easy to spot without having to open each message one by one. Outlook conveniently displays these attachments in line, allowing you to get an overview of what files have been exchanged during the communication. Now, in order to expedite the process even further, keep an eye out for the paperclip icon that appears next to messages in the conversation list. This handy little icon signifies that an email contains an attachment. It's a quick and efficient way to pinpoint which specific emails within a lengthy chain contain the files you're searching for. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to quickly identify and access all the attachments in a Microsoft Outlook email chain. These tips should help you stay organized and ensure that no important document slips through the cracks during your email exchanges. So, next time you find yourself lost in a sea of emails, remember this guide to lead you in the right direction. Whether it's for work, personal projects, or everyday communication, having the ability to efficiently manage email attachments can save you loads of time and energy. I hope you find these tips helpful and that they bring some ease to your email management routine. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more useful tips in our upcoming videos. Until then, happy emailing!